Alice, I'm really excited about my new venture. I've been researching sanitary ceramic factories, and I'm just starting to feel overwhelmed by all the decisions I need to make.
I understand. Setting up a factory can be a complex process. However, with a reliable partner like Sunlets Technology can actually streamline the process and ensure a successful venture.
That's great to hear. I've heard of sunlets like technology. What kind of services do they offer?
So, Sunlets Technology can be a one stop solution provider for your sanitary ceramic factory. They can assist you with everything from product design and equipment like selection to production planning and quality control.
That's exactly what I need. I'm not really sure where to start with the casting techniques and equipment.
Sunlets. So, technology's experts can guide you through the entire process. They can help you choose the most suitable casting techniques based on your specific products and production goals.
That's a relief. I was so worried about making the right decisions.
Sunlit Technology can also provide you with the necessary equipment and machinery, ensuring a really smooth and efficient production process.
That's perfect. I'm always looking for a reliable partner who can handle everything from start to finish.
Sunlit's technology is the ideal choice. Their team of experts has extensive experience in the sanitary ceramics industry and can offer tailored solutions to meet your specific sort of needs.
I'm pretty convinced I'll definitely reach out to Sonnet's Technology for further discussions. Uh,
That's great. I'm confident they can provide you with the support and expertise you need to succeed in your new venture.